Hello everyone, today we are on lesson 7.1 in our colored math book and it is on page 267. We are going to add and subtract parts of a whole. And the question asks, when can you add or subtract parts of a whole? Sounds a little confusing, but believe me, it's really easy. Just watch, pay attention, and you'll get it pretty quick. Here we go. All right, so the first question says, Miss Clark has the following pie pieces left over from a bake sale. She will combine the pieces so that they are on the same dish. How many pie pieces will be on the dish? So it looks like she has 1, 2, 3 pieces here and 1 piece there. All right, let's see what she's gonna do. Model the problem using fraction circles. Then write the sum. All right, so let's color. How many pieces did we say she had? She had 1, 2, 3 pieces. So let's color that here. 1, 2, 3 pieces. And how many on this pie? She has 1. So this one goes here, and that one goes there. And remember, we want to combine them on the same dish. So, how many pieces did we have here? How many total pieces were here first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total pieces. And how many pieces are left there? 1, 2, 3. All right, 6 total pieces and 3 pieces that are still there. How many total pieces are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total pieces, and how many are left? 1. Now remember, we can't do this if the pies were different sizes or different, but the pies are exactly the same size. So that's why we can add the fractions. If the pies are different sizes, we cannot add these. All right. So the saying goes, if your bottoms are the same, add your tops. Well, what that means is, if the bottoms are the same, and 6 is over here, and 6 is here, so the bottoms are the same, all you have to do is add your tops. If your bottoms are the same, add your tops. If the bottoms are the same, add your tops. So bottoms are the same, so we're just going to put the bottom right over here, 6, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. So that is an awful 6. 6, 6, you just bring the 6 over, and if the bottoms are the same, you add your tops. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. You had 3 in the first pie, plus the piece you had from right here is 1 more. So how many total pieces did we shade? We shaded 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So the answer is 4/6. All right, let's go to the next page. Suppose Miss Clark eats 2 pieces of the pie. How much pie will be left on the dish? Model the problem using fraction circles. Draw a picture of your model. Then write the difference. All right, mine's kind of light right here, but if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded in. That was how much pie we had right here, remember? Now, that's how much pie was left, but what does she do? She eats 2 pieces. So Let's start from the beginning. How much pie is there? How many total pieces did we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces we started with. How much pie is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. And then what did the problem say? Suppose Mrs. Clark eats 2 pieces of pie. So she's going to eat. She eats this piece is going to be gone. And this piece is going to be gone. She eats those 2 pieces. So how many pieces does she eat? She eats 2 out of how many total pieces? 6. 2 out of 6. Do you remember what we just did on this side? If the bottoms are the same, add your tops. 6, 6. We just brought the 6 over. So what do we do here? If your bottoms are the same, subtract your tops. Bottoms are the same. 6, 6. What do we put here? 6. And then we subtract the tops. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So how much of the pie did she have left? She has this amount right here left, which is 2 sixths. Bottoms are the same. You add your tops. If the bottoms are the same, you subtract your tops, depending on what the question's asking. So let's look back. We learned how to add our tops. We learned how to subtract the tops when the bottoms are the same. So when can you add or subtract parts of a whole? You can do it when you have the same size pieces, same size pie, or same size whatever you're talking about. Right here, they were the same size, and your denominators were the same. That is when you can add or subtract parts of a whole. All right, everyone. I hope you got this lesson. If you have any questions, let me know in class. Bye.